Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.
On Monday, 8 August 2022, the chairperson of the Assembly Panel on Women's Empowerment, Dr. M Ampareen Lyngdoh, had briefed newspersons on the latest development on the recent Nongrah children's murder case and the rescue of 6 children in the Rimpu Bagan case in West Garo Hills.
That in the case of the Nongrah children murder, necessary compensations have already been forwarded to the family, and initial 1 lakh has been paid to the family to ensure that the family will be able legal assistance to take the case up in the days to come. We would also concern for the welfare of the 5 rescued victims in the incident relating to the rescuing of 5 children in West Garo Hills from the Rimpu Bagan case. All 5 children have been rescued, out of which 3 were between the ages of 17 and 60. 1 was a child of 15, 1 was a child of 13, and 1 was a child of 3 years old. As far as the Women's Committee is concerned, we are only concerned about the welfare of these children who have been rescued from the case at West Garo Hills. We have been given the assurance that all the 6 children who are in some way or the other linked with this incident are given necessary protection and are also provided with all necessary provisions to ensure that these children continue to live a normal life despite the circumstances which they found themselves at. These were the cases that we took up in the Committee for the Empowerment of Women of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly today.